I went onto the NHS website because I was looking for a job within the NHS and came across the position for an apprenticeship because there wasn't much sort of admin roles available, permanent positions. So I thought, well, I may as well try an apprenticeship because you're getting a qualification out of it as well as having a job and being in employment.
My mother's always worked in the NHS, so she kept her eye out because I used to work in retail. And it wasn't making me happy, so I wanted to move on to an admin job. So I saw The Apprentice come out. I thought I'd just go for it, really.
Well, I never liked school. I never liked studying. That was never for me. And I did like working. So it was kind of like the perfect sort of avenue for me, really. I get to do a bit of both, and it was a lot less intense and I could handle it.
And at the time I didn't have a lot of admin experience, so I just thought that by doing an apprenticeship it's sort of a way into the NHS.
Yeah, it's a nice balance. They allow you to do your college work whilst you're working too, so it's relatively easy actually.
The department give you time to do your studies while working, which is really helpful, so it's not too much pressure.
I've completed level 3 in business administration and I'm currently doing a level 3 in leadership and management.
Yeah, I think the minimum age is 16 and there's no age limit upper.
One of my colleagues is currently doing an apprenticeship. She's 36, so I don't think there's an age limit.
With the NHS, when you start, even at a lower level, there's always good opportunity to progress because there's loads of internal jobs going all the time. So I think with the NHS, once you're in, it sort of broadens doors to you, so there's loads more opportunities going.
Because there's an internal job website you can go on and see what's available, what's popping up. So yeah, it's relatively easy once you're inside, as long as you put the hours in and try hard to go up a band.
Once I've completed my qualification, I'd like to do my nurse training and qualify as a nurse in the future. I think that's university, but you can do your nursing while working. One of my colleagues is doing that at the moment, so.
I think that's just what I'm aiming for, is to work my way up sort of the management ladder, hopefully.
Achos yna'n hygol, because it's amazing.